Les gars, c'est quoi la différence? Je comprends pas ça. Détendez-vous, masque les actions à temps imparti. Faites partie de l'action, affichez les actions à temps imparti. Cinématique, c'est mieux. Ok. Mais j'ai toujours pas compris la diff entre les deux là. Apparemment, c'est un jeu de Gunner un peu. Quoi? J'ai jamais bien compris ce terme. Comment ça, un jeu de Gunner? Je suis censé comprendre quoi là? QTE ou pas? Je sais pas du tout. En fait, j'ai jamais rien vu du jeu. Je sais juste que c'est un jeu à choix.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad. What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just, when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than you feel comfortable.
J'ai l'impression que votre
admitting,
relation était
which
plus complexe.
is
Je le connaissais
completely
peu. J'ai mon père, il est parti. Mais quoi? Mais je sais même pas moi.
Didn't really know him well. Wasn't around much.
Well, you're gonna see him even less now, because he's dead.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on,
Ça va trop vite, ça va trop vite les gars.
Hey, we did. You know.
Attendez, je vais monter le son du jeu. Boost des dialogues, c'est quoi ça? Bon, je sais pas c'est quoi, j'ai activé.
Oh, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location.
Attends, t'as de la discussion pour une R, c'est quoi pour une raciste? C'était quoi le mot? Billy, t'as désactivé les QTE, là ton jeu il sert à rien. Ouais mais frérot, moi je pose des questions au chat, je vous dis j'active quoi? On me dit ouais active ça, j'active et on me dit non t'as désactivé, ça sert à rien. je dois faire quoi? C'est quoi le bruit là? Je pensais que c'était mon casque carrément, je sais même pas c'est quoi. Une raclure, ah d'accord. Fallait mettre interactif. Bah je vais changer les gars. C'est où? Ah non, je peux plus changer, je crois, non? Je fais quoi? Je recommence? Vas-y, attends. Franchement, vous saoulez, les gars, parce que je vous ai posé la question, vous m'avez dit cinématique. Vous rendez fou, ça. En haut de la première ligne. Ah ouais? Ah oui. Interactif, ok.
Of Shroud.
I'm not telling you you loser.
See, this is more like how I thought this would go.
I hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he spanks your little daddy as you to death, you hear me? Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
land.
smells like outside smells. Wait,
Hey,
wait,
I
wait!
have neighbors. Use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay, okay. Steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks, okay?
You sure about that?
Yes, please. That's all I know.
Stop screaming.
Help! Help!
Hey, I will pull you up if you quiet the down.
Help!
Il va le jeter, je pense. Oh. Le laisser tomber, le remonter. En fait, il m'a zaraf à mordre la main.
Scream about? I'll give you something to scream about.
No!
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
You piece of shit!
Hey, I ruined a perfectly good mattress to make sure you didn't die, okay? You're welcome.
Attendre. Pourquoi ça me fait cliquer? Je comprends pas, les gars. Énervé. Ok, du coup, ce mec a tué notre père et on le recherche. Shroud, là, je sais pas quoi. éteint son déguisement. Vraiment trop gaze. Les gars, ça me rappelle que j'ai à payer un costume. Wow, c'était quoi déjà mon nom? El Tigré. Costume El Tigré de super-héros hyper réaliste. Un vrai costume, les gars. Il m'a coûté bonbon. Je l'ai jamais mis. un costume de super-héros spécialement designé pour moi et tout. Enfin, j'étais en mode avec un designer pour pitcher ce que je voulais. On a fait des modifs ensemble, truc machin. T'es sérieux? Je te jure. En fait, je me suis dit, je vais l'utiliser bientôt. Carrément, il date de l'époque du premier Z-Event que j'avais fait, je crois. Ou peut-être le. Non, j'allais dire le 2, j'ai jamais fait le 2. Mais le. Vas-y, il faudrait que je le sorte un C4. Donc là, on s'infiltre dans la base de Shroud. Shredder, je sais plus comment ça s'appelle.
He's here!
Le jeu, il est vraiment beau en tout cas. J'aime trop ce style.
Time to finish this. All right.
D'accord, c'est bon, je viens de capter.
All right, next one.
Wesh, je fais comment? Ok, c'est bon, j'ai.
Just one more. All right, got it.
Ok. Merci Medivibes pour les subs. Merci beaucoup mon frère. J'aime trop les jeux simples comme ça. Ils m'ont fait une énigme de Golemont, c'est pile ce que j'aime. Prépare-toi à mourir, c'est fini.
Hey, can I get a copy of that video when we're through here?
Prépare-toi à mourir, ça.
Because there are some people out there who are gonna want proof that you're dead.
Oh no! Should I update my Wikipedia page?
All this build up, face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame
Where the is Shroud?
He'll be here in a bit. Oh, hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad. Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated. Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely he was and just himself like a little.
Ouh, Medivibes, merci
It
pour les
was like
subs.
so much.
Merci mon frère, ça fait plaisir.
Because your dad was wearing shorts, so
Hey.
it just kept.
I get it.
Ah mince, j'ai pas vu, j'étais en train d'annoncer, pardon. C'était quoi le choix? Donner un coup de pied et quoi d'autre? Wow, et notre pouvoir en fait c'est qu'on contrôle un mecha. C'est trop stylé. Medivibe il est en pétard de fou. Merci beaucoup Medi frérot. Attends, on contrôle un mecha là?
Starting to think I didn't need to waste a perfectly good mattress to break your fall.
Perfectly good. I assume that stain thing was already in the dumpster.
Can we just skip to the part where you reveal your
Bull superpower so we can fight for real.
Ah ok, il a un pouvoir lui aussi. Quoi? Pourquoi il y avait un carré noir, les gars? Quoi?
Cool. So you got some kind of clever super.
Ah, check les gars, je suis désolé, je savais pas du tout.
bro?
Je
That
savais pas
works
du tout
on
les
so
gars.
many
désolé.
levels for you.
Yeah, no. That's the point.
Ah non, c'est nous dans le mecha, pardon,
Shroud's
j'avais pas capté,
augments are
d'accord.
pretty good when normies like you use them. But when you put them on someone who already has powers, and chef's kiss.
Pitié, enlève les bips. Non les gars, je veux pas de vulgarité les gars. Attends mais... C'est vraiment ce que je crois là, le carré pendant tout le long du combat là? Merci beaucoup Medivibes pour les subs. Merci mon frère, avec plaisir. Non les gars, je peux pas y croire que le carré c'est soit aussi omniprésent pendant le combat là. Oh non, j'ai raté. Oh. Non, j'ai peur que le fait de rater ça a changé une grosse action là. Désolé mais le palmarès du mec en vert c'est volé son pouvoir. Ah non, on se fait wet là. Désolé mais le perso principal, son pouvoir il est trop gaze. Comment ça tu contrôles un mecha? Je suis sûr que quelqu'un l'a sauvé à temps. Un mélange d'Invincible et The Boys, absolument. Ça se ressent de ouf. Ah non, il est en mode acide en fait, j'avais pas capté, c'est un peu stylé quand même. Attends, c'est foutu pour nous là? Wow, si j'avais raté cette action, je me demande si ce serait passé quoi. Parfois, je vais faire exprès de rater des trucs juste pour savoir l'histoire va donner quoi. Est-ce qu'on peut avoir un game over dans ce jeu? On est nul, on a un costume éteint, il n'y a rien qui va. Pour l'instant, c'est pas fou, les gars. Hein, je vous cache pas. Je sais même pas si on a un vrai pouvoir. Genre.
So, what do you got left on them shields? I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about these things.
Ah, il a pas tort.
Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
Allez, tente un move. Montre-nous que t'as des vrais super pouvoirs là.
System check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert Astral Pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey, Boss Man
2
says if you're
seconds.
planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so
Bluff. On l'ignore, on répond pas, on répond pas.
Bluffing.
Hey, Matt
Ah.
Blaster, I don't give a okay? I'm just the messenger here. He says you're not calculating that stuck to your leg, dog.
En fait, il me laisse pas assez de temps pour choisir les choix là.
Hey, great! All going to plan.
Non,
Now
on est
get out of
tellement
there, babe.
cook.
Come on!
Oh, on dirait Dark Maul. Attends, comment on s'en est échappé nous là?
Yeah! Status.
Pulse status. Stable. Foreign device detected.
Je sais même pas comment on s'en est sorti.
Warning. 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 Warning.
Énervé. Dispatch. J'aime trop quand des jeux, des séries, des films sont inspirés et ils le montrent clairement. Il n'y a aucune honte à s'inspirer, les gars.
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our newsroom, showing what many thought to be the death of Mecha Man.
Ça me rappelle trop la vidéo où la meuf elle se filme pendant qu'il y avait la météorite au Portugal là. Je sais pas si vous vous rappelez. Ou une étoile filante de ouf, je sais plus ce qu'il y avait mais.
With no superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime. 3 generations of pilot, their identities kept secret, have given everything to protect this community, including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a star-studded superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period
Ils ont
of
tous
peace
l'air
in
gaze
the
les gars.
South. After years
Ça,
of
à part
loyal
peut-être
service,
lui là
tragedy
avec la
struck
cape,
again
le.
when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member, turned
Si je
villain,
peux rejoindre le clan des
killed the
méchants, je
pilot
rejoins direct les
Mecha
gars.
Man in cold blood. But yet again, as hope was lost, a third generation of Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man
Aucun flow.
for
what
the
the fuck.
modern era. A bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area. Until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
Mais c'est tellement bien fait, c'est dingue.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Can you repair your
What's next
suit?
for Mecha Man?
Does this mean your career is
How
over?
badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily, do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils, a lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake
J'ai
up.
fait tout ça pour vous. Allez.
Everything I've done, every sacrifice me and my family have made has been for the people of Los Angeles. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Are you 100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, buddy boy. Are you retiring? My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver.
Allez,
Let's
on
get
peut
it on
dire
the
ça.
record.
Well, I don't have a suit and I don't have any superpowers, so yeah, short of a miracle.
Les gars, on sert plus à rien, on n'a pas de pouvoir, on n'a
Pretty
rien.
much the same as definitively.
Pretty much is the same as pretty much, buddy boy. All right, just one more, please. I gotta get back to, just one more. Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay Signal. So, Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you?
C'est vrai, c'est une
You
bonne question
haven't
ça.
been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right. You're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question.
On se
Most
fait
heroes
éteindre.
avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy.
Les gars, on est un peu trop
How
mou, je trouve. Hein.
disappointed would your dad be if he were here right now? Your father, your grandfather, they must be rolling over in their graves.
Allez, on lui met une patate, ça. Gifle-le, vas-y.
Up next. Do I want to sue? Of course, but there's two issues.
Les gars, il a trop abusé.
Clearly has nothing left, and he was wearing a mask, so.
Parle pas de la famille, frérot. Je veux bien que tu m'étonnes moi, mais t'es là, tu parles de la tombe de mon grand-père, des trucs.
Did explain why after the first 3 or 4 minutes, no one was stepping in. Yes, I was disappointed with the chanting.
Ah oui, personne sait que c'était nous, Mechaman. On a même pas de pouvoir, frérot. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes ton masque? Allez, quel manque de respect.
Hey. Yeah. All you pretty disrespectful for you to be doing that in front of me.
Hey, who you calling assholes, asshole?
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And who the are you?
Yeah, you. Go, Hobo Ranger?
Ah, tu sais qu'il n'y a plus rien à perdre, je suis Mechaman. Je veux dire Mechaman juste pour qu'il dark un peu.
Mecha Man.
You're not Mecha Man. That's Mecha Man.
I'm Mecha Man, dip. Okay, that's my suit.
Wow, you're gonna be wishing you had it right now.
Whatever the case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of and Skittles idiots like you.
Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight.
Allez,
You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
C'est vraiment du mort, ça me tape. Il y a trop de gros mots dans ce jeu, les gars. C'est indécent. On est vraiment en bon rien, c'est pas possible.
What the?
C'est qui la selle?
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
All good.
Phew. Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
Hey, hi. Yeah, I know who you are. You're like famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
Les gars, je la vois en Ops. Je la vois en Ops, c'est
Right,
sûr
I
que c'est une
don't think
infiltrée.
Infamous is the same as famous, but
Oh god, your arm.
C'est Shredder, Shroud là, je sais plus comment ça s'appelle, qui l'envoie Spectre.
oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you.
Non, ça me touche pas, cousine. me touche
Usually
pas.
dislocates the other
Je vais aller
way.
voir un pro, ça y est.
No offense, but I'd prefer a medical professional to do it. Ah, okay. Oh, that's okay.
One of them is on that roof.
You look like you could use a drink.
What makes you say that?
They were all Skittles colored.
Il y a trop une ambiance dans le jeu, c'est dingue.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different colored?
Échec, désolé.
Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
Mais pourquoi on garde nos déguisements, je comprends pas. Tu me mets au défi, dure journée. Ouais, dure journée. On va faire un peu de...
I can't tell which one of us had the rough day.
Oh, no. I had a great day. Well, that's not totally true. Oh, you're joking. Sorry. It's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
What a sad sentence.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did. Especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you.
Mais quand même, le courage qu'on a d'aller se taper contre des gars qui ont des pouvoirs alors qu'on en a pas, je serais tétanisé moi.
So, how did you
Comment ça,
afford
tu
all
peux
that?
voler et
You
cracher de
must have
l'acide, je
spent
peux juste
hundreds of
rouler en moto.
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
Ah,
You're serious?
d'accord, ça coûte des millions de déguisements.
Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
T'as combattu contre Greg et moi, c'est la même.
Why did you do it?
réel.
Do what?
Sacrifice everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
Je sais pas, ça te regarde pas en fait.
Retrospect, I don't really know.
Now that's a sad sentence.
Yes, it is.
So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably switch into water.
Good, because I was hoping, after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well...
C'est abominable ces techniques-là.
Present you with a proposition.
A proposition?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then
Ça
it's
peut
just
coller?
a matter of picking the right moment.
Radopsen, j'espère.
Well, propositions late at night in a bar can go any number of ways.
That's actually... not water.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be embarrassing.
Les bras quand il a craché l'eau sur toi. C'était tellement la même chose.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
D'ailleurs, mes lunettes dans la vidéo avec Ibra, je suis dégoûté parce qu'elle marchait l'essuie-glace.
What are you doing?
Enfin, la lunette marchait, les essuie-glaces marchaient. Et quelqu'un l'a fait tomber, je ne sais pas qui. Et quand je l'ai pris devant tout le monde, ça marchait plus. Ça, le truc, il allait en haut, il était cassé de travers.
Alright, just so you know, I only
Je sais pas qui l'a cassé, mais bravo. Je pas réussi à démasquer.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow. Are you a superhero? That's so cool.
Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious guy?
Well, you're really going to act like you don't
Il a l'air d'avoir un
remember.
pouvoir trop stylé, lui.
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah.
Il peut contrôler le feu, ça se voit.
Oh, wait. I know it. You are sunglasses indoors at night guy. Your superpower is that you're able to let everyone know in the room that you're a bag, because you should literally never do that unless you're at the final table of the World Series of Poker.
Désolé, mais je
then
déteste la
you win.
répartie de mes camanes. Il fait
you're
cheap.
still a loser.
Il fait trop pitié.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
Coup de JK, il dit, ouais, je suis sûr que c'est eux.
I control the fire.
Ah voilà, j'en étais sûr.
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am flambé.
Il a un vrai pouvoir, c'est des coups.
Wait, oh, I
Pas des coups, comment il s'appelle Shoto là.
Not anymore, mecha. As I literally just said, I am Flambe, a real superhero. And you are not Mecha Man anymore. So, you need to get the out of here.
Oh, alcool. Il faut quoi pour éteindre le feu de l'eau, non?
The easy way.
There. Easy way. You're gonna hit me now, right?
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Holy shit. Oh.
What song is that?
Your
Il a
mouth
tellement envie de rigoler.
is whistling. Come on, we should get you to a hospital.
No, Coop! Guy needs a dentist.
I've got it on ice. Should be able to reattach it.
Teeth don't work that way. You're thinking of fingers and You know what? Give it a shot.
Hey, Mecha.
Revient de tuer sa qualité, c'est foutu pour lui là, il pourra plus jamais revenir dans ce parc.
Just tell Blazer I'm outside.
Énervé. Si vous pouviez avoir un pouvoir pour l'instant, vous prendriez quoi? Je pense moi il faut que je vole obligatoirement. Si le mec du feu il vole pas, je préfère pas son pouvoir honnêtement.
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the
Téléportation.
art on this dumpster.
Invisible, j'avoue c'est un bail aussi invisible.
Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's... The whole energy is awkward. And I almost rolled the heck out of my ankle on this slippery floor.
J'ai renversé mon verre. Hein.
Oh, my glass slipped and I made a little mess.
Just a little mess?
Yeah? Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Attends, elle va nous prendre comme ça? Désolé, mais je serais trop gêné qu'on porte ça comme pour m'emmener quelque part. même si c'est en volant, je serais trop gêné. On laisse la petite chose en fait. Mais le fait qu'il y avait que nous bourrés depuis le début de la soirée, là, ça me... Elle a l'air trop suspecte, cette meuf. Genre, il reverse pas son verre. Non, mais des fois, il y a des choses à ne pas... Faut pas chercher plus loin. C'est chiant. Bah, exactement. Les gars, bah, Hollywood, voilà, mais ça me rappelle trop un peu plutôt, je sais pas, Hong Kong.
I actually thought
Des
you were
villes comme ça,
taking
là.
us to sit on it.
Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better because you can see it, and it looks like there's a
On lui a
couple
craché
there
dessus?
already. So
Ah oui.
I know I shouldn't even bring it up because it was mortifying for the both of us, but I am seriously sorry about the whole spitting thing.
yeah, that's usually like a second date kind of thing with me. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Ah, choc. J'ai hâte de plus la fréquenter.
No, totally. Yeah, I was thinking about something else, but yeah. Thanks.
J'aurais pas dû prendre cette réponse, finalement.
Again.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you. But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third? 3 times this happened?
There was Grandpa Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and
L'histoire,
life
elle est un peu
insurance
lèche
money.
pour l'instant.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Ça se voit que l'aventure, elle va être courte un peu.
Sad
Je sais pas de jeu dure combien de temps, mais...
origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit, which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet. But remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
Je veux juste rentrer chez moi, ça. Comme moi, doit être grave déçu.
We can work with this.
Non, ne rien faire, pote. Les gars, on la connaît même pas. Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Oreille croquée, t'as Van Gogh. C'est quoi la story là?
Sorry, I'm actually here with a purpose. The way I went about things.
Voilà, viens-en en fait. Tu veux quoi de moi là?
I'm sorry.
Oh,
It
mais
was
c'est
all a
dur.
little loose, a little unprofessional.
Ouais, exact.
Unprofessional. I'm not sure that applies to this.
I'm actually here on official business. How I know your name, the proposition I mentioned right before you spit in my mouth.
Still mortified about that.
It's fine. Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course. He's like family. That I haven't talked to in a
Ça se voit,
while.
je nous la mettre à l'envers.
What
un peu.
about
Mais
him?
totalement, je la vois
I
à des
work with
kilomètres
him at
celle-là.
SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
Mon armure est détruite.
My suit was totally destroyed.
I saw the report, studied the footage. It's not totally destroyed, just mostly. It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced. Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch.
En vrai, on nous a donné une chance avec cette armure. À quoi bon on nous l'a redonnée? On n'a pas été assez convaincant, je trouve.
Your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable.
Si je
Share
refuse.
it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
And what if I say no?
Then I'll hate you forever. And I'll push you off this billboard.
Wow.
Yeah.
And no one would suspect a thing.
Nope, not a one.
Wait, so you want me dispatching? What's that even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
Drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Okay, there. Pop it on. This is part of the assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Greetings and
Agent de
welcome to
SDH.
this training simulation. We may be superheroes, but we're nothing without SDN's real hero, the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start? Well, it appears we've got our first call from...
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send.
Ok, on va faire.
Such an array of brave heroes
Ah, on est
to
manager de
choose from.
super-héros, je pensais on y allait
How
nous.
could you possibly pick just one?
Ouais, le downgrade de fou
This
qu'on a eu
graph
dans
will
notre
show
team.
you what a hero does well and not so well.
Uber bagarre. C'est vraiment ça.
A hero with a knack for vigor
Frérot doit
and
être vigoureux
combat
et
looks
bagarreur.
right for... That sounds like me, Phenomaman. Now that at least one hero is being dispatched, it's time to get to work. A wise choice.
On peut voir l'action au moins ou.
I will now return to SDN.
Quoi? C'est claqué de fou.
When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need
Les
some
héros ont besoin
much
de
needed
repos et de
R&R.
relaxation. Ok, il a un
Don't
cooldown.
forget to review your hero's performance. They won't be sent out again until you do. On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see an analysis of what's... Let's see how well I did after responding to that caller's...
Oh, ça devient compliqué tout ça.
There's no such thing as a perfect fit. The more that my skills align with the needs of the job, organized criminals, often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
Apparemment, il y aurait une planque de méchants sur le campus. Qu'est-ce qu'il leur faut? Enquêter sur la planque de méchants qui aurait été découverte à l'université, interpréter les indices. Attends, c'est quoi sa mobilité, charisme? Non, intelligence. Il nous faut de l'intelligence et de la vigueur, je pense. Il nous faudrait elle, hein.
Intellectually stimulating.
Ah, je peux en choisir deux. Interpréter les indices pour démasquer. Attends, interpréter, c'est quoi? C'est vigueur? Je pense une, ça suffit, non? Je vais pas envoyer 2 héros quand même. Une, ça suffit ça.
Knowledge is power.
Mais la blonde, elle nous a envoyé à déco. Oh, la blonde, l'émission d'intérim qu'elle nous a envoyé, je suis choqué. Elle savait très bien qu'en nous donnant cash les lunettes, ça allait pas le faire. Elle savait très bien, c'est bon. Repos, d'accord. Ok, j'ai gagné plus. Affaire classée, ok. Le musée a besoin d'un intervenant pour son expo des super-héros de la région. Inaugurer l'expo sur les super-héros devant un public enthousiaste. Partager son expérience unique en tant que super-héros. Je suis censé choisir qui là? Charisme. Charisme peut-être? Il faut du charisme.
Flattery will get you everywhere.
Devant un public enthousiaste. Ouais, ça doit être ça. Hein.
Oh, if these streets could talk.
Voilà,
One of your heroes needs you.
Quoi?
As their leader, your heroes will look to
Il n'arrive
you.
pas à captiver
Make
l'audience.
choices and follow where they
Quelques
lead.
blagues, fait un point culture générale, fait des pas de danse. Mais elle est comment l'audience? Elle a quel âge? Elle a fait quelques blagues. Ouais, elle fait quelques blagues ça.
These choices need the right skill. Remember each of your hero's strengths and
Vernissage chic. Je comprends rien. On a réussi?
A convoy of Diablo's goons are harrying the
Un
highway.
combat de sbires del Diablo.
as if
Attaquer nos
traffic in
agents.
this city was not bad enough.
Speaking of
Ok,
traffic
ok.
and going
Intercepter le
places,
convoi, les accabler en les
does
attaquant sans relâche.
SDN offer paid time off to take vacations?
Of course. PTO accrues at a regular rate over time. Use it however you like, as long as you discuss your
Je vais en envoyer
schedule
deux,
with
c'est
your
bien.
manager well in advance.
Intercepter le convoi, il nous faut un peu de mobilité, non?
PTO.
Exactly right. Attends, mais là, je
The
vais pas pouvoir tout faire.
diabolical supervillain El Diablo
Diabolique
is
et le Diablo
attacking
sont prêts à
Los
l'hôpital.
Angeles General.
Protéger les civils sans
no.
défense, arrêter les
It's
méchants,
one
hommes
of
de main
my
del
arch
Diablo.
nemesis, El Diablo.
Ah les gars, j'ai plus
That
beaucoup
means
de...
the Diablo in Spanish.
Huh, he must have been using the convoy ambush as a distraction.
And to attack helpless hospital people. That craven
Pitié, pourquoi elle est toujours pas arrivée, lui?
Speaking of hospitals, did you know SDN offers a robust benefits package for all
Ok,
full-time employees?
détourner l'attention du monstre, encaisser les attaques de la boxe.
phenomenal.
Il m'en reste plus qu'un.
Stopping power.
Ah les gars, c'est foutu là. Vas-y, dépêche-toi, toi. Ah non, il doit se reposer après.
There's a giant monster attacking downtown. Save us,
C'est bon, c'est bon,
SDN.
c'est bon, j'envoie ça là.
Oh God, no.
SDN values work-life
Là,
balance.
si on veut les souffler,
When
la
the bell
semaine qui
rings,
s'est bientôt
your
de la
shift
pause.
will end very soon.
Les civils sont retenus en otage, convaincre les sbires de relâcher les innocents et les forcer à se rendre. Je peux même plus envoyer de soldats? Elle fait quoi elle? Pourquoi elle est bloquée en cours de route là?
Sometimes a hero can use their talents to tip the scales. They are superheroes after all.
C'est ça le fameux jeu à choix?
All the kids in
Non,
town out
normalement
safely.
non, mais...
Looks like the cops took care of the goons.
El Diablo's goons are running
J'espère que le
scared,
Diablo prenne la
right on the
fuite.
heels of his sidekick, El
Poursuivre
Diablito.
l'acolyte. Mais j'ai plus de super-héros les gars. Attends, y'a pas une deuxième page de super-héros là? J'ai que ça? Vas-y, dépêche-toi de rentrer à la base toi. Ok. Ça va, il y a un peu de temps. Ok, c'est carré. Ah, je suis pas sûr de... Si, ça va, 87%.
What can I
Je sais même pas
say?
se calculer comment
A
ces
lot,
trucs-là, mais...
actually.
Vas-y, on va faire celui-là.
I need help getting to my doctor's
Aider
appointment.
la dame âgée à traverser la rue. Il me faut de la mobilité, les gars. Vas-y, toi, ça le fait.
Everything in moderation.
Vas-y, vas-y, pars. Désolé, mais repos, ça s'active même pas là. T'es dispo, non? Ok. Les forcer à se rendre.
Clock this.
The smart choice.
Allez-y. Pitié, j'ai plus assez de temps. C'est la musique du jeu, on doit vendre les burgers, je suis off. Quel cooked overcooked, je sais pas quoi.
Big and small. We never ignore the people of the city, particularly the elderly.
Speaking of retirement, quick question, Phenomenon. Does SDN offer 401k matching?
Yes, but there are limitations. Your HR representative will have all the details.
Pitié, j'ai qu'une seule personne là.
On my way, citizens.
Il y a un tout petit peu de repos, est-ce que je la tente? Chut. Non les gars, je peux pas, je suis obligé de l'envoyer.
I am on the way.
C'est bon, je peux t'envoyer du renfort, non? C'est la dernière mission en plus, je crois. Hein? Il a réussi? Et il est boosté, lui. Allez, arrête-toi là. Non. Aïe, aïe, aïe.
On to the next. Our shift is done now. It is time for lunch.
We couldn't have done it without you, dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the
Il a
snack
embrassé la meuf ou
offerings
pas?
at
Non,
our
je l'ai pas
break
embrassé.
room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you.
Je viens d'arriver, il y a moins d'expliquer un peu. C'est un jeu de super-héros, mais c'est pas du tout cette interface-là. On nous a envoyé au charbon. Zarma, on est. Ouais, voilà.
Well,
Le jeu,
looks
c'est bon, il
like I'm
reprend là.
great at this, so that's gonna be bad for your negotiating position. Expect a
En fait, la blonde, elle veut nous faire taffer. Elle a fait semblant de dormir. Elle capte que ça y est, elle avait un truc chiant à faire, elle, avec les lunettes, et maintenant, c'est notre rôle maintenant.
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of. Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
Oui, oui, ça
It
doit être
makes
ça.
sense, yeah.
Il a surtout pensé à toi, Aurore, et tu nous envoies le sale boulot à la fin.
Meet me at the SDN offices tomorrow. I'm not done saving you yet.
Excuse-nous, hein. Arma, tu nous sauves. Elle est malade, elle. Et on descend comment, nous, maintenant?
Is there a ladder or... Sorry I'm late.
Donc là, quand même, on croit une inconnue qui a voulu nous bourrer pour on ne sait pas quelle raison. Et qui nous dit, t'inquiète pas, j'ai trouvé des millions pour ton costume, pour qu'on le répare. Je te donnais des céréales.
The folks at SDN are the best in the business, and we're striving to create a safer, stronger city every
I
single
met a nice lady.
The folks who live here have to deal with a lot.
She wants to help us out.
People with bad intentions and super strict.
Non, ça va, il a encore de la carcasse un peu de son robot là. Ah, c'est fini? Mais non. Mais non, c'est pas possible, les gars. J'ai payé le jeu 20 €, je crois. « 49% des joueurs et vous avez arrosé Flamboc de l'eau. » Ok. 45% des joueurs et vous n'avez pas embrassé Aurore. Ok. 42% des joueurs et vous avez laissé tomber le sbire. Votre taux de succès pendant le combat contre Toxic était de 89% comme 100% des joueurs. 19% des joueurs et vous avez attaqué le journaliste. 15% des joueurs et vous avez surnommé M. Flambeau. M. Lunette à toute épreuve. Avait cartonné au tutoriel du SDH. Ok. Ah, et c'est par épisode, d'accord. Non, les gars, c'est peut-être le jeu de l'année, les gars. C'est tellement trop bien. En fait, je me demande si c'est très particulier à mettre en place ce type de jeu pour du jeu vidéo en mode pour du gameplay. Est-ce que ça leur prend du temps de réaliser tout ça, de faire un épisode, genre?
Ah, dang it. I'm gonna be late for band practice.
Unexpected things happen every day.
Phenomenon! Can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock, so you can rock.
SDN is not an insurance company and does not cover damages to property, persons, or animals.
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah, well, yeah. Wait, what's that?
Hmm?
On dirait trop le mec dans
just
Invincible.
the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomenal man. He's like a rock star. It's I'm joking, cause of the rock and the roll. Cool commercial. I'm a Famama fan, you might say.
Non, en vrai, elle est carrée la pub. Hein.
that.
Elle est phénoménale. Hein.
He seems cool. Phenomenal, even. And quite the salesman.
Oh yeah, I mean, he could sell snowballs to an Is it not cool to say? Snowman. He could sell snowballs to a snow person. Anyone made of snow. Any color snow doesn't have to be white.
Il nous a yombe.
Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is yep. That is
Just
yeah.
Okay, let me help you.
Oh no,
with
no, not necessary. I'm sure I.
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview.
No, I mean yes, but yes is more. My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Oh. Ah, c'est un combat entre les deux là, c'est l'eau contre le feu là.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Il ressemble trop à Lucci dans One Piece.
Your face is
C'est son sosie.
aside of my face. I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead. I thought.
Just on the inside.
You look small or different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, wow, Blazer, Juan, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something.
Là-dessus, en fait, c'est trop un fan pour pouvoir travailler là. C'est désolé, mon gars. Reste à l'accueil, va. Son pouvoir, il avait l'air intéressant, par contre.
Take your clothes off.
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here.
Mais on passe de super-héros à technicien de surface.
Bigger. I was a little drunk. Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you...
Vas-y, là, c'est là, commence à
close
me...
my eyes, maybe? If that makes you
Regarde pas, cousine. Voilà, c'est du harcèlement, tiens. Voilà. Tiens.
Well, this might be the fastest HR violation of a new employee in history.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Voilà.
There.
C'est les mêmes règles pour tout le monde.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted myself. It was a mistake. A complicated mistake. I can go into the details of those complications
Mais elle parle de quoi là?
later.
Didn't feel like a mistake. At least not to me.
Well, that makes one of us.
C'est quoi l'erreur?
It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Who locks a conference room? So, you two or what?
No professional lines were crossed.
Alright, so just like grinding, clothes on stuff.
Busy, knock it off.
Elle devrait être virée là, ça. C'est grave ce qu'elle a fait là.
See at our meeting.
A meeting? Is that what it was?
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed-up dad-bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a loser?
Je suis là pour
Look,
aider.
I'm here to help. It's what I do. You have a chance to turn things around, bring some good into the world, and I'll support you in whatever way possible. So that maybe, just maybe, by the end of all of this, helping people is what you do too.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Not.
Je pense qu'ils sont pas Hachek limite ils meurent je pense. Tous ils ont tous un gras.
She called herself Invisible when she was a villain. We're trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Oh yeah? The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Ils ont aucune hachma mais de fou. SDN, mais c'était pas SDH la société?
This is SDN. How can we help you?
We're not
Ici
the
le
highest
SDH.
profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great. One of the 3 copiers on this floor. Fax, scan, does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds.
Ça me fait de la peine un peu, j'ai l'impression que c'est les super-héros très mid qui finissent ici là.
I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
Triple D?
3 Ds?
Dispatching, documentation, diversity is the 3rd. Not in terms of priority, of course. Yep, we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way
Mais
back
c'est une
there.
ville que de super-héros. Ouais, ouais, quasiment, ouais.
He's from, I want to say...
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom, I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend
Ça
to
nous
get
dit
a
est-ce que je peux
little
t'accompagner, je vais
corporate.
péter un plomb.
Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
Je commence à bien l'aimer le perso principal là, Robert.
Oh, bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Royd.
Hashtag pas en train de pisser, s'il te plaît, pas en train de pisser. Je te check pas, poteau.
Oh, my bad, my bad. You think I don't touch my ding-a-ling, huh? Because we stay in the lure.
Kind of part of the process.
No need to worry, brother. It's okay.
So Royd, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen. Get 3 other guys here that go by the name Royd. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Royd. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think. Hey, you think that's why they call me Royd? Like I'm on steroids.
Ouais, de malade.
Cause they think I'm some kind of a juice head? They think I'm not natty, bro? They think Royd's not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I no care.
Yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our...
You one funny bugger. Mecha Man.
Comment ici?
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother. It's Kapu. Need to know basis and Roy need to know. I don't want to come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro. I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
Holy shit. Who's this freckled face? How are you?
That's an
Qu'est-ce qu'il disait là en insulte?
Look at this skinny latte. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these holes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
On se connaît?
I'm sorry, do I know you?
Why are you all tense? What? It's a hug, not a lighten up.
Be that as it may, I'm still confused.
Oh, right, because I'm old as How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar? Holy
Yeah, you
On se connaît?
Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it,
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little ant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah,
Les gars, l'ascenseur elle est horrible, mais j'ai pas envie de laisser des insultes, les gars. Y a pas de choix.
Sorry. I never noticed.
It's the powers. I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers. Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen to keep the old ticker from popping
Qui plus utiliser son pouvoir, plus vieilli en fait.
Then how old are you really?
I turned 39 a few months ago, but went to Dave & Buster's was lit.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect then re-kill your father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Un gros mot par phrase, c'est du jamais vu, les gars.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last I love you before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers. Now, if I'm being honest, I thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool.
Ils nous refont taffer là. Révélez votre héros. C'est ma team, genre?
Sonar here was a Harvard graduate
Who will not shut the up about being a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective
Transforme en
Silicon
chauve-souris
Valley
géant, très
investment frauds
intelligent,
in
accro à
US
diverses
history.
substances illicites.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a bat monster that would eat you first after he emptied your pension plan.
C'est quoi la différence? Intellectuel hybride, bête rapide. Je préfère qu'il soit rapide en tant que chauve-souris, non?
Flambe, he...
Controls the fire and the flame, and his skin does not burn.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable kid.
Ok.
Invisigal, who you met. Turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we...
Elle me rappelle trop Néon dans Valorant.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious?
D'ailleurs, je vais grave reprendre Valorant bientôt là, ça me manque trop ce jeu.
What tipped you off, Sherlock?
Ok.
Here we have coupé, which I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent. Punch up.
Carnival
Ah, mais
strongman
c'est tous
who
ceux
made
qu'on a
a deal with
rencontrés
the sorceress.
jusqu'à
She
présent.
gave him
Genre.
the strength of 10 men. His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charm and brains of a greasy
Immunité à la
bowling ball.
douleur.
Malevola, terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still late for every meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose. That's Golem. He is a
Les
construct.
gars, notre team elle a zéro flow, je déteste.
Bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic. I think he's lonely.
Prism, Michigan.
Elle a la grave du flow par contre.
Power is weird. She weaponizes light rays or some. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why is she dressed like
1,3 million de followers.
She's
C'est
actually
une musique
super
très dramatique, des mots tout ça bon retourner dans ses caravanes.
Wait, so the Z team, my team, their Phoenix program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure. What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Oh.
On a parlé 0 fois de salaire avec la Go là.
But feel free to decorate.
On paye comment nos factures nous?
This computer's older than you look. Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that
T'es
wasn't a
payé en
slideshow.
visibilité.
We like to start
Ils
slow.
vont réparer notre
Most
costume.
people
D'accord, mais je
think
mange
that's
comment
the
au
first
supermarché?
And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland.
Ah non, c'est ça le
Whenever there's a
programme, d'accord.
crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your headset on and introduce yourself to these.
Viens pas insulter tout le monde tout le temps comme ça là.
Hey team, this is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's not your real
You started?
name.
You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear. Who? Roberto's son? I saw him in his underwear. He back in mine?
No, but he's got a lot of bruises, which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your emo.
Shut the f up.
La team
Let me
d'Afrochum.
remind you, these
Ils m'ont
calls are
grave fait.
recorded for training.
Ils m'ont fait à la mort.
So keep the line clear before we send your stupid back to whatever cell we pulled your stupid out of. Alright?
Voilà, de quoi les calmer.
My son's balloon is stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Grimper à un arbre de 12 mètres pour récupérer un ballon rouge. Ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. Faut quoi? Faut de la mobilité. Elle, ça devrait être bon. Hein.
On my way. Trust me, I can handle this a lot faster on my own.
Lorsqu'elle a envoyé celle, Invisible Meuf réduit le temps de trajet et le temps de complétion. Je me disais qu'elle allait vite. Énervé.
Mr. Vanderstank is requesting a hero for a very important event.
Une création très médiatisée à Van Gogh. Envoyer quelqu'un qui aura une bonne image du SDH.
Certified genius. Literally, he has a certificate.
You aren't a genius if you need a piece of paper that says you're a genius.
La chauve-souris pour moi. Hein.
This guy rules. Sure?
Vas-y, go.
Did I mention I went to Harvard?
I'll take Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Non, Friday. Je peux
Today's
gagner.
Friday.
Ah, c'est ça.
I know.
Oh my god! My potatoes break
C'est quoi ces missions de Golemont? Préparer le bidé défectueux de la cliente. On peut le faire à distance?
Let's see if I can do this. Oh, don't you mess with me.
C'est bon?
Get these idiots out of my bar before they destroy it. And don't send the flaming asshole.
2 euros sur
You know
pâte à
who we saw at
kryptonite,
the
mettre à la
bar
brigade
last night?
diplomatiquement
Mecha
possible.
Man.
And he kicked Flambe's.
Il faut de la vigueur, il me
Okay,
semble.
okay. That little did not kick my
You did though.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
No, you didn't. Because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going to shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
Been to the cliffside once. Didn't work out.
T'aimes bien le jeu pour l'instant? Je kiffe. Bon, dommage pour les insultes, il y en a beaucoup trop, mais... Et Hachek aussi, certains trucs. Mais le jeu, wow.
Okay, what's going on with Sonar?
Oh, that, yeah.
Sonar se transforme en revenant d'une mission et envoie ses stats,
randomly
intelligence avec
turns
combat et
into a
charisme avec vigueur jusqu'à la prochaine mission.
Randomly.
We are working on controlling it.
Poursuivre les voleurs et situer le bâton d'un seul morceau. Poursuis. Il me faut de la mobilité. Quoi, elle est toujours en repos, Invisimeuf? Abusé. Celle-là, ça peut le faire.
Okay.
Ça peut le faire, hein.
So what was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone, a robot guy
Des idées
without his
d'événements pour
robot, I
régler
guess.
ça. Suggère des noms qui déchirent.
Just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe?
Suggère de devenir un
Got
duo.
your kicked by just a guy.
Un nom qui déchire ça.
Shut the up.
C'est bon.
The Duelist and the Brawler. Those names are better than they have any right to be.
Bon bah c'est carré, hein. C'est quoi ça? Un pouvoir, info, ok.
Hey, someone's robbing the museum. I don't know what you do, man. I just
Cambreleur en
started
plus contrôle du
today.
système de sécurité, éviter les capteurs du mouvement et appréhender les voleurs. Éviter les capteurs du mouvement et appréhender les voleurs. Ça, il faut de la vigueur pour moi.
Sure thing.
Ça devrait le faire, ça, je pense.
Security here is amateur hour.
Fire at a local park has gotten out of control.
Envoyer quelqu'un dessous pour éviter d'autres dégâts vite avant que le feu se
The
propage aux
fire
habitations.
that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on break, so how could I know?
Flambe, stop around. I've got enough problems without you making new ones.
Ah, je vais peut-être la perdre,
Whatever,
celle-là.
man.
Non, ça va.
Oh, great job.
Jenny the Bone Zone Diaz here. Today's topic is all about SDN hiring criminals
Éduquer,
to
lui prouver
protect
qu'il est
us.
attaché de la Team Z. Ah, faut du charisme là.
On my way.
Comment éviter les capteurs? Pirater les systèmes, zigzag entre les capteurs. Ouais, vas-y, zigzag.
Piece of cake. All sensors are back up, team.
Aurore m'a demandé de te montrer les ficelles, alors me voilà.
Hey, a hero ranked up. Good job. Go check that hero database. Now navigate to the new upgrade tab.
C'est où amélioration?
Every rank up earns skill points. Use them for increasing stats. Use the plus icon next to a stat to spend a skill point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Elle, je vais lui booster la mobilité, je pense. Vas-y, mobilité, faut vraiment que tu sois rapide, hein, vas-y, meuf. Vas-y, c'est carré.
Half man, half bat, all freak.
Oh là là. Éteins le feu avec la lance à eau. Étouffe les flammes avec ton corps. Je pense à la lance à eau, je suis pas sûr. Non, c'était pas ça. Il est blessé. Quand un héros est blessé, ses stats baissent de 1. Mais non, il fallait me dire avant ça. Ok, je sais pas. My bad. Lui, intelligence, on va monter ça. Vas-y, il nous faut de l'aide pour l'incendie.
We've encountered these thieves before.
Ah d'ailleurs, quelqu'un m'a envoyé le My Bad emote en mail. Il faut que je l'ajoute dans les emotes Twitch. Il était trop bien fait. Compiler et croiser les autres vols d'œuvres d'art sur réseau criminel. Localiser des noms connus pour le retrouver leur nom. Je suis obligé de faire ça de toute façon. Ah non, j'ai lu aussi.
Well, bye then.
What a beautiful day.
Le jeu a la DA d'invincible un peu. Bah totalement frérot, pas qu'un peu.
I mean, yeah. Good work, I guess.
Ok. Le jeu, il est pas mal, mais ça, si on en fait trop... Oula. Carré.
Ah, that's the stuff. Hey, Bobby. Here, William Vanderstink needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
For some situations, you can only
Dans
choose
cette
one
situation, il
solution.
faut faire un choix. Ok. Sonar, c'est qui Sonar? Vas-y, Sonar,
I'm a
appelez-le.
high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Briser Sonar rencontrer son héros, William Vanderstink, et lui pitcher des idées. Ok.
Sure. Go ahead.
Thanks, man. You will not regret this.
Sauver les personnes prises au piège,
Well,
évacuer
I
les
didn't
habitations.
think I would until you said that.
Fine, I'm going.
Je pense que ça devrait le
Swift
faire.
as the knife, sharp as my knife. I got this one. Seriously, don't worry about it. I'll be so fine.
C'est lent au début,
I
puis les quêtes
promise.
deviennent plus spécifiques, donc plus intéressantes, mais le mieux c'est ton histoire de ton perso. Ah oui, totalement, totalement. Sonar commence à stresser et doute de son pitch de substitut viande humaine. Je comprends rien, que devrait-il faire? Suis ton instinct, sois toi-même.
Be yourself. Goes a long way.
Yeah, you're right, you're right.
Abusé, c'était pas ça.
Everybody should step back.
Une famille prise au piège dans sa maison, nous devons les secourir. Ouvre un chemin, évite la fumée. Ouais, ça devrait le faire, ça. J'ai trop du mal avec cet incendie. Vas-y, c'est bon, c'est réussi.
I'm gonna be insufferable about this.
All right, I'll snitch. Just cut me a deal, okay?
Discrétion, discrétion. Ah, il me faut les meufs dans la mobilité. Attends, vigueur, ça devrait le
You
faire, non?
look, different.
You mean better?
Ah, je sais pas quoi choisir, les gars. Peut-être ça, je sais
Ugh,
pas.
whatever you say. You are about to feel so much better. And so am I. Ooh, that looks bad.
Soigne un héros quand il est envoyé en mission avec, il reçoit un plus 100 charisme. Ah, lourd. Vas-y, soigne-le. Oh, attends.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New record.
How the f did that happen?
I set this car on fire. Yeah. Very flammable. Kia Soul.
Bon, j'en peux plus d'émissions là. Quoi, y a quoi encore? Protège les œuvres d'art.
Oh, for real? Just kidding. I know I was in my bag on that one.
Comme ça,
Grannies,
Donut même.
I got this.
Alarme Aziz déclenchée chez Donut de Mémé.
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned.
Vas-y, on va là.
Oh, hey, if we unionized, would Blazer kick our ass? Can I get ice down here, please?
What does that mean?
That's before tapping. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Seul point faible du jeu pour l'instant, c'est ces missions-là. Elles durent un peu trop longtemps. C'est sympa, je trouve, mais 5 minutes en moins, ce serait cool. C'est vraiment long.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, f***er. Is it that obvious?
Yes, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever, superhero.
Fourré à la confiture, ça.
A jelly donut, okay? I mean, I will eat anything if you pack enough jelly in
So
it.
you're into you like that gush in your throat?
Mais j'en peux plus, les gars, de ce jeu, c'est
You
quoi
got
ça?
me. I love gobbling on hot sloppy donuts.
Hachek, c'est quoi ça?
Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First date. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room?
On dirait vaille un peu. Ouais, c'est vrai qu'il ressemble de ouf.
You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
No, this
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Dan. Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn. Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Man, sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Depuis quand Mekaman il a ces compétences-là là, en informatique? Allez.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Hello?
Quoi? Sinon un code inconnu trouve la clé. Comment je peux le trouver ça? Attends, c'est peut-être là. Ah oui, pardon.
This node represents a code to use later.
Ah,
Remember it.
au bas, gauche, ok. Au bas, gauche.
Alright, what do we got here?
Perp, B&E. Who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone. He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
No!
C'est tellement dopé invisible. Wow.
This a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind. Got any more great advice?
Disappear. J'ai pas capté qu'il y avait un choix, je suis en train de regarder la scène. Elle a pas trop de cardio malheureusement. Ah, elle est pas faite pour le combat, je crois.
Invisigal, just hold him off while I find a way to help.
Wow.
I can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Faut qu'on se dépêche.
Come on.
Quoi?
Got him.
Allez, au bas. Ok. Gauche haut. Au bas, gauche haut. Au bas, gauche. Mais même comme ça, elle perd son 1v1, c'est grave.
Granny.
Oh wow.
I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you...
Shut the f*** up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't f*** me, okay? Nobody f***s Granny! Nobody f*** with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Faut éliminer le voleur. On s'en fout des armes MMA, faut éliminer le voleur.
Granny doesn't even know how to shoot that thing. Take out the thief first. He's the only one with his finger on the trigger.
You know what? It's my life on the line.
I'm done listening to you. That thing's gonna
Oula,
blow that
maman.
man's
Arm off, and there's a whole building with me in it. I'm disarming the device.
No, Invisigal, that's a direct order.
The fuck? No.
Oh, Invisigal, you there? Come in, Invisigal.
This guy's heavy.
Miskin, il est mort pour de bon là.
Clearly a fan of his own work. Oh, really wasn't expecting to see that.
C'est quoi le carré?
He's kind of caked up. So where's the perp, Lieutenant?
I think he must have had something else to do, because he left.
I mean, this is why you have insurance, right?
Jesus Christ, you gotta be kidding me.
C'est Jitsu quoi, je sais pas. Je sais pas si ça représentait quoi le carré.
Pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're f***ing supervillains. Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Ah non, plus ça, j'en ai marre. Objet pharmacie plus un point aléatoire. Mais fin, on repose dans les roues. Oh, c'est énervé ça. Mobilité invisible meuf, direct. Ce chapitre 2, il est un peu mou là pour l'instant, comparé au 1.
Hey! What kind of superhero flinches?
C'est la corporate life quoi, ouais, voilà.
I didn't say which superhero, chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of bag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Yeah, well, you had a choice. No one made you pick a life of crime.
What the f?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy is weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird?
T'as ignoré mon ordre.
Look at me. You disobeyed a direct order. How can you think it went well? You trashed the place. The suspect got away. You got the client hurt. You think when that guy signed up for SD and that it result in the back of his
J'avoue,
getting
c'est rien de réussite
because
là.
they don't mention that in the commercials.
First of all, the place was trashed when I got there. Second, I'm sure Granny would take some crisp over losing his arm. As far as the bad guy, happens.
Fact of the matter is that didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now? I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a
Bien
nerd
dit, elle a marqué
playing
un point
a
là
video
pour le
game
coup.
in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little turtle without its shell. A real hero puts
Elle
their
marque 2
on the
points.
line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems
Ah, c'est
disappear.
moi le vrai héros ici.
Let me make this clear. You're not half the hero that I am. Not now, not ever. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish...
Ouh là là. Ah, notre relation avec elle, elle est foutue.
feel bad. Good.
Oh, 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 oh. Ça va pas la tête? On se fait hacker vraiment partout.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
What happened to your nose?
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became
On va
impossible
poucave
when
un
it
Visimeuf
started
directement.
soaking in blood.
The Visigoth punched me in the face, but I asked for it.
Robert, this is serious.
It's not. I asked for it.
Okay, there's nothing you could have said that warrants her hitting
Would
you.
it be any different if I said I literally asked for her to hit me in the face, and then she did it?
I suppose.
Okay, then let's go with that.
We're here to assess Robert's first shift.
Ces choix sont horribles.
Aside
trop
from
drôles.
whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What?
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the granny thing went.
Yeah, now the granny situation.
Je me demande si chez Mémé j'aurais pu mieux m'en sortir,
So
honnêtement.
much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure, but I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z team.
Elle a désobéi à un ordre. On va la poucave de fond en comble.
She disobeyed a direct order.
That's kind of her thing. It's why we're so hopeful you can help her.
And I'm happy to do it, but you know...
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And
Il a pas
leading a
tort.
supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all
yes.
in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Ah, il veut pas y aller en tant que mécaman? Bah oui, l'armure elle est pas réparée. de toute façon.
Okay, we'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
Attends, du coup, plus de logiciels chelous là?
I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No way it's gonna work, but it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
Got Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah, no, I did this. It's weird because yeah, I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. But then she comes back and she just crazy, like the evil mode, and smashed the same donut.
What a mess.
Will clean it.
What? No.
No, yes. See, I'm SDN's newest. He
Il m'angoisse trop ce gars.
Hero?
helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So it's my pleasure, and it's my job, which you helped me get. So thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah, Great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Quoi?
Hey, I want you to know us fixing your suit is not contingent on you fixing the Z team. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here.
Elle est trop tactile la selle.
I think we're going to do some great things together.
Merci de l'opportunité.
Hey, look, I really appreciate you setting this up. It's exactly what I need right now, and it'll get me that much more excited to be back out there.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you. It's a little
Encore un
awkward
service.
to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde blazer. Are you ready to go?
La tête.
Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend,
Oh
Phenomenon.
waouh, les problèmes de
This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so
On
small?
pourra jamais rivaliser, les gars.
You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was great. It was a great first day.
That is
Il est
phenomenal.
un peu beauf
We
dans le
should
monde des
celebrate.
super-héros,
Blonde Blazer
Phénoménal.
and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us. I'm sure they could accommodate one more, especially a special occasion like this.
Ouais, ça a l'air sympa.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that sounds just amazing. I would love to join.
Phenomenal.
Actually, I don't know if we can add one more to the reservation. And more
Mais si,
importantly,
t'inquiète
in
pas,
order
Aurore,
for
tout va
us
bien
to
se
get
passer.
there in time, we'd have to hit supersonic speed, and Robert here.
Oh, would he die?
Yeah, I think he would die.
Oh no. Perhaps another time.
Yeah, for sure.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back? The power of my launch has been known to stun small beings. Phenomenal.
Non, les gars, il a trop de flow. C'est gênant, malheureusement, de malade. Je pense qu'Aurore, elle peut pas se le saquer, ce mec. Il te hound. Pour l'instant, ouais, sur tous les plans, ouais. C'est pas mal, les gars. 24% des joueurs Evo avaient dit qu'Invisible vous avez frappé. 36% des joueurs Evo avaient préféré les donuts forêt à la confiture. 73% des joueurs Evo n'avaient pas proposé un rencard à Aurore. On peut vraiment pas se la saquer, Aurore. 10% des joueurs Evo avaient accepté de dîner avec Phénoménal et Aurore. 20% des joueurs Evo avaient laissé rencontrer Sonar rencontrer Monsterstekken, ça s'est mal passé. Ok. Votre héros le plus envoyé était Sonar. Le taux de succès général est de 100%. Ok. Elle a dit quoi, Layla, encore dans le chat? Je peux plus voir son message. Attendez, elle vient sur mon live, sur mon chat pour dire ouais, je joue à quel jeu sur mon live demain. C'est ça qu'elle est en train de faire? Est-ce qu'on peut sauvegarder dans ça? Sauvegarder il y a moins d'une minute. MDR, elle en a dit des choses, t'as raté. Wow, j'ai rien lu depuis tout à l'heure, j'étais à fond dans le jeu. J'ai jamais dit ça, mais t'es fou, toi. Tiens, Layla, mange-toi ton ban. Hop, je crois qu'un modo, elle a déjà ban. Ah non. Attends. Mange-toi un petit ban temporaire. Bannir temporairement, Layla. Oh mince. Les gars, sans faire exprès, j'ai mis 10 minutes. Attends, je voulais pas mettre autant. Mince. Comment faire? Attends. C'est bon, c'est bon. C'est carré. Pardon, Layla, je voulais pas mettre 10 minutes, je voulais mettre 2. C'est rien. Mais tu réponds en mode t'es Layla. Ça va pas la tête. La famille. Tu t'es pas trompé de personne? Sérieux? Je sais pas. Attends, un lever. Non, non, c'est bien celle-là. Si tu bannes Layla, banne moi aussi. Bah tiens, frérot. Tu vas manger ton ban, toi aussi. Hop. Sauf que toi, il n'y aura pas de déban, frérot. Ça t'apprendra à faire le phénoménal. Comment il s'appelle déjà? Phénoméman. Dernier épisode. Les gars, justement, je voulais vous dire, je suis grave fatigué ce soir. Ça, je sais pas pourquoi, je suis KO. J'ai une journée chargée. Enfin non, j'ai menti, désolé, j'ai quasiment rien fait aujourd'hui. Mais je sais pas pourquoi je suis KO, les gars. Si vous êtes chaud, on continue dispatch. On est quel jour là? On est quel jour? Mardi. Si vous êtes chaud, on continue dispatch jeudi. Si vous êtes chaud et on essaie de finir le jeu. Je pense que là, déjà, en 2 heures, on a fait 2 chapitres. Je sais pas il y a combien de chapitres en tout, mais si on a genre 5, il y a moyen qu'on finisse au prochain live. Ouais, de ouf, carré. Vas-y, avec plaisir, les gars. Désolé, je suis cuit, je sais pas pourquoi j'ai les yeux qui me piquent et tout. Faut que j'aille dormir ça. On veut Silent Hill F. Bah, faut qu'on finisse Dispatch. On fera No I'm Not a Human, version finale. Et après, on fera Silent Hill F. On fera Silent Hill F, Inch'Allah. Il y en a 8, mais pas tous les épisodes sont sortis. Oh, ok, bah, je pense qu'on sera à jour au prochain live. On sera à jour. Il y a le RP jeudi. Les gars, en fait, si je me cale par rapport au RP, je crois qu'il y a 4 jours par semaine. Je vais pas m'en sortir, les gars. C'est malheureusement, vous soyez là si vous voulez, soyez pas là si vous voulez. C'est demain, je peux pas, les gars. Je peux pas. Salam alaikum, wa alaikum salam. Ta dernière vidéo, elle est masterclass. Merci pour les travaux. Avec plaisir, mon frère. Et tous ceux qui ont apprécié la vidéo, n'hésitez pas à le dire en commentaire, les gars, sur YouTube, parce que là, les commentaires que je me tape, wow, c'est difficile. Hein. Pas sur la vidéo elle-même, justement, sur totalement autre chose. Et j'aurais grave aimé des retours sur mon projet, sur ma vidéo, les idées, le concept. J'ai pas beaucoup de commentaires là-dessus, en fait. Ça m'attriste. Allez, bisous la famille. J'espère qu'il y aura une rediff. Il y aura une rediff, mais finale, globale de tout Dispatch. Je pense, avec tous les chapitres du coup. Je pense que jeudi, il y aura une rediff finale de tous les chapitres qu'on a fait d'un coup. Écoute pas les critiques. Mais c'est pas des critiques, les gars. C'est pas ça les commentaires dont je parle. C'est pas des critiques. C'est des anti-commentaires, en fait. C'est non, je regarderai pas. Il y a un tel dedans. Vas-y, salam, ciao. Je boycotte la chaîne maintenant. Salut. Allez, je me désabonne. Ciao. C'est même pas sur la vidéo elle-même. Enfin bref. C'est moi comme la famille. Prenez ça de vous. Vas-y, ciao. Ciao, ciao.